Good morning. So right now it's 8:40 and we are at this parking lot. Actually, we stayed here for a night and we started our morning with cleaning coffee maker because one time we left without any care and it's melt the cum inside it. So we're cleaning the coffee maker and we're using gas from the gas station because it's cheaper, like usually cleaner. And after all, I will just put in the diesel tank. Actually, the weather is quite interesting because in one side is sun and in another one is like dark clouds. Okay, so yesterday from the hike I noticed I had the tick, so I pulled it out, and this morning I noticed I had the second one, but yesterday I make my body inspection, I didn't find anything, but this morning I found one. So yeah, maybe that bite me somewhere in the night. I think for now we just finish cleaning, finish our coffee and start moving again. So we drive to the information board. I marked one place that I want to take the photos because that was very beautiful, and here we are at this beautiful place. To come here we need to pay for a road. Road toll was 100 NOK. It was about 10 euros, so it wasn't so cheap, but it wasn't so expensive too. So, but the views are amazing. We decided to take short hike. It's about 20 minutes. We will take our stuff and start climbing. So here we are at this hilltop. Actually, this is not the highest one because in here is more higher, and over here also behind me is more higher. But it's okay. It's fun. Actually, it took more than 20 minutes because we're taking photos and so. And for now, we just take several minutes to get a breath, and we'll get down to go to the next one. So I thought it was the peak of this hill, but it's not. Actually, the official peak is right here, just 100 or maybe about 100 meters away. It wasn't very steep uphill, but yeah, it's here. And actually, I want to show you one thing. Yesterday, it was this place where we took the hike and taking some photos. From here it looks very small. This little dot is van. Nice. So we just come down to the van, and yeah, it took quite longer when we expected. And now we're going to the next place. smoke coming from the brake pad, so it's not on the flames, but yeah, I managed to somehow overheat it, I think. Maybe just got a good heat, because yeah, it's not sports car, but it was very fun to get down from the hill. It doesn't smoke anymore, but the heat's coming right. Oh, it's very hot actually. Where is it cold? Cold. We stopped nearby the river by our route to Troll Road. It's very corner way and goes like uphill or downhill, so our way is go to uphill. I think I will not have the issue with the brakes, but I don't know how it will be the engine. I just drive all the troll way from down to up. It was amazing. So many emotions right now, I can tell you. So yeah, sometimes the bus was just on the three wheels because one just hit the gravel free on asphalt, but I did all the corners up and downs, actually all the ups. But yeah, and a second was the emotion that the drone followed me, because we want to record it, and yeah, I always checking if the battery is not on low and if it's always on the range. So yeah, and right now we just go to check all the troll road from the top, because here is the viewpoint. So yeah, amazing. and fantastic drive in the Troll Road. It was amazing. After that, it was not so uphill road, but also with so many corners. It was amazing. We checked our wish list, or what we want to see. We took the decision to drive this today, and yeah, we took ferry. We drive faster and we took ferry pretty quickly. So yeah, right now we are in the ferry, and after that we drive a little bit and stop somewhere because night coming and we will stay somewhere. After 30 kilometers away from the ferry, we stopped nearby a lake, if you can see, because I don't know if you can see, but right now it's pretty dark. Also, we have the free falls. Probably I will show you in the morning. And for now, I'm going for a rest. We will see you in the morning. See ya!